Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. We will see how we can easily check that our Windows 11 is genuine or not. So it's very easy here, and you can see we have our Windows 11. How we can check whether it's genuine, for that go to the start, click here. On clicking here you can see the settings will be visible here. OK. Click on it. After clicking you can see the settings is visible here, and under the first one, system, that is here. You need to go below. When you will go below here, and you can see activation is visible. This is where you will be able to find the activation state of your Windows 11. Click on it. On clicking you can see we have Windows 11 Home Single Language, and it is active. Activation status, click here. On clicking you can see we have Windows 11 Home Single Language, and it is active. This itself says that your Windows 11 is genuine. So guys, in this video, we saw how we can check whether our Windows 11 installed Windows 11 is genuine or not, with a valid license key. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel with things